Hi, fourth graders. From our packet of dice and card games, I'd like to show you the game Race to 500. So if we look at our materials, it says that we are going to need our deck of cards. We're going to take out the face value cards. So the kings, the queens, the jacks, and the aces. We're going to take those out and put those off to the side. Then we need 2 players. Now you could play this by yourself, or you can play with 2 people. So I'm going to pretend Macy and Tamara are playing. Now here's what happens. It might help you to have a piece of paper or a whiteboard and your marker and a pencil. So you choose what material you have. So what we're going to do is we are going to lay them face down in a stack. So the cards will go down. Player 1 is going to draw 2 cards. Okay, so if Macy were drawing these, she would get a 3 and a 9. So 3 times 9 is 18. Then player 2 is going to draw their cards. So Tamar would have 4 times 5, 20. So now what we would do is we are going to figure out who has the bigger product. So remember, product is the answer. So we have 27 and we have 20. Which product is bigger? You got it, 27 is bigger. So then what would happen is Macy would get the points for this one. So what Macy is going to do is she is going to subtract 27 and 20. So what is the difference between 27 and 20? 27 take away 20 is 7. So Macy would have 7 points. And she would keep adding up every time she wins. She would add that up. Now, the first one that gets to 500 is the winner. So we're going to take these cards and put them off to the side. Okay, we'll play another round just so you can see what happens. All right, so Macy would take 2 cards. And let's say she has 5 times 2. That's going to be 10. Tamar gets 2 cards, and she gets 8 times 2, which is 16. Who has the bigger product, 10 or 16? You're right, Tamar has the bigger product with 16. So Tamar wins that round. Now we're going to take 16, take away 10 to get Tamar's points. How much is 16 take away 10? You got it. It is 6. So Tamar would get 6 points. 10 points. She would get 6 points. And we'd keep doing that. So here's what happens in the next round. Because someone is going to get the points next. So Macy, oh my goodness, Macy gets 9 times 10, which is 90. That's going to be a big difference, I wonder. Tamar gets 7 times 14, or 7 times 2. I'm giving you the answer, which is 14. Well, which one has the bigger product, 90 or 14? Yes, you're right. Macy has it with 90. So now we're going to take 90, take away 14, and find that difference. Now, if you need to write it on your paper, you definitely can. I'm going to use that strategy of breaking apart 14. I know 10 plus 4 is 14. So 90 take away 10 is 80. And 80 take away 4 is 76. You got it. So Macy would have 76 points. So I'm going to take these cards, put them off in the discard pile. And now Macy's going to add 76 onto 7. What? So now Macy has 83 points. Think about that. She's almost at 100, which is close to 500. She's in the lead. So here's what happens. You're going to keep doing that. Now, the first player to get to 500 wins. But what if you run out of cards? Oh, easy peasy. You're going to just take all the cards, shuffle them up, and keep playing. So fourth graders, that's how you play Race to 500. I hope you have fun with that one.